John Orlando here with PlexusAV at ISE 2024, and I'm showing the visual array, which is our latest management and control software for the PlexusAV ecosystem. This is the dashboard that we've created, and it's really customizable. You're able to see all your active devices, if you have any devices online, what your network status is. You're also able to get alerts if things are down or having some sort of error. So it's really handy and easy to see all in one spot. Clicking over to the device list, we're able to see all the devices on your PlexusAV network. So here we've got all of the transceivers are all popping up, showing that they're live, showing that they're streaming 4K video. They're showing whether they're in encoder or decoder mode, and we're able to switch between there. And if we want to change settings for that individual unit, we can just click right into that IP address and change the codec we're using, the color depth, and lots of features inside of that unit. Going over to the AV matrix, we're able to actually do our switching and see where everything is routed. So we see where all the cross points are and where things are individually routed. You're able to independently route the USB, the RS-232, video, audio, and you see all of your encoders and all of your decoders listed here. And then the last part of the visual array that's really cool is the ability to do video walls. So here we've got a 3x3 video wall that we're doing, and you can see how we've set it up. We've overlaid the bezels perfectly, and we're able to show which encoder is going to each part of that video wall screen. So that's what our visual array has right now. Come check it out at our booth, and you can also visit our website, PlexusAV.com. Thanks.